S25 series is officially unpacked. Samsung's main focus is on the Galaxy S25 launch and the One UI 7.0 update release. Reports suggest Samsung is aiming for a January launch for the Galaxy S25, with pre-reservation dates possibly leaked. Galaxy S25 pre-reservations may begin in early January 2025. A recent survey was distributed to select Galaxy users in Vietnam asking about desired improvements for upcoming high-end Galaxy phones set for 2025. Upon completing the survey, users might receive a 10% discount voucher toward a new Galaxy S series device. This voucher is scheduled for delivery on January 5, suggesting that Samsung could begin pre-reservations on that date. Samsung typically opens pre-reservations for its phones a few weeks before officially unveiling new devices, suggesting a possible mid-January 2025 announcement for the Galaxy S25 series. However, the recent survey was distributed by a retailer in Vietnam, not directly by Samsung, which means the suggested pre-reservation date for the Galaxy S25 series may not be final. To recap, Samsung launched the Galaxy S23 on February 13, 2023 and moved up the Galaxy S24 launch to January 31, 2024. With this trend, the Galaxy S25 might see an even earlier release in 2025. What's your thoughts on this leak? Let me know in the comment section. If you're a regular viewer, feel free to skip this video. If you're new here, be sure to watch until the end. If recent reports hold true, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could launch in at least 7 color options next year. 4 of these will be standard, while 3 will be online exclusives available solely through Samsung's online store. Today, let's take a look at high-resolution renders of what the 4 standard Galaxy S25 Ultra colors might resemble. The image, created by Techmizo Concept, is unofficial but attempts to show the Galaxy S25 Ultra in its possible base colors: titanium gray, titanium black, titanium blue, and titanium silver, displayed left to right. The colors may appear somewhat muted, similar to most standard colors of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, aside from titanium yellow, which adds a brighter pop. Samsung's history with Ultra flagship colors suggests some standard options might blend with matching frames, while others could sport plain silver frames. If the Galaxy S24 Ultra's design is any indication, at least 2 Galaxy S25 Ultra online exclusive colors might feature contrasting black frames. Of course, none of this is confirmed and only time will tell. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 series early next year. It's uncertain if these renders reflect the exact shades Samsung will use. Since it's a fan-made render, the colors may not be completely accurate but are likely close. Additionally, the dark silver frame seen here may have been a creative choice. The final product might feature a different frame treatment. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.